Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that 8902, that Lionel DC locomotive that arrived. Anyway, I've cleaned up a bit, as you see. Diode is installed. I've swapped it over to a tin litho rail, pulling 10 Marx, 10 litho cars. So a fairly heavy consist for this locomotive. And like I said, these are on par with the Marx 400, the Marx 490. Anyway, let's take this around and see how it runs. Lionel 8902 DC locomotive, diode installed, pulling 10 Marx 10 litho cars. As you see, up and running with no problem at all. So the DC locomotives, you can find them cheap, they're easy to convert. It gives you a standard locomotive you can run on any AC rail. Anyway, I'm happy with it, and I got it for free. So anyway, I just wanted to do a follow-up video. It'll probably be the last video on this. It runs great, it looks nice. So a 20-cent diode, about 5 minutes of your time. Any DC locomotive you can convert to run on track power, standard AC. Anyway, be spending some time in the train room now. The new AC is in and working. That window is 22 feet off the ground, so it makes it really challenging to swap out an air conditioner, that's for sure. But it was 92 degrees in here, it's down to 75 now. So, like I said, I was offline for a couple of days. It was just too hot in here to do anything. Anyway, the 8902 up and running, pulling Marx 10 litho with no problem at all. So I got that one today, got the Lionel cleaning car. So I'll be doing probably a couple follow-ups on that. Good experiment with making different scrubbers for it. Very likely I'll use Scotch-Brite. That way I can run it dry. Anyway, a final video on this 8902. Originally 10 bucks on eBay, and as you see, add a diode, you can run it on standard track power with no problem at all. So, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com, and as always, thank you for watching.